Hi friends, welcome to Leela Kids channel. In the video la நம்ம பார்க்க போறது 10th standard economics unit 1 part 1 textbook evaluation answer in detail. இந்த வீடியோவை again and again போட்டு பாருங்க, உங்களுக்கு answers memorize ஆகும், எக்ஸாம்ல flow ஈஸியா இருக்கும், பப்ளிக் எக்ஸாமினேஷன் ஈஸியாக அட்டன் பண்ணலாம். இது உங்களுக்கு ஷார்ட் வீடியோஸாகவும் கொடுத்துருக்கேன், அதையும் பார்த்து பயன்பெறுங்க. Please like, share and subscribe Leela Kids channel. Coming to the video, 10th standard economics unit 1 part 1 textbook evaluation, write in detail answer. Briefly explain various terms associated with measuring of national income. Various terms associated with measuring of national income. Number 1 is gross national product, GNP. Gross national product is the total value of goods and services produced and income received in an year by domestic residents of a country. It includes profits earned from capital invested abroad. Gross domestic product, GDP. Gross domestic product, GDP, is the total value of output of goods and services produced by the factors of production within the geographical boundaries of the country. Net national product, NMP. Net national product, NMP, is arrived by making some adjustment with regard to depreciation. We arrive at net national product, NMP, by deducting the value of depreciation from gross national product. NMP is equal to GNP minus depreciation. Net domestic product, NDP. Net domestic product, NDP, is a part of gross domestic product. Net domestic product is obtained from the gross domestic product by deducting the quantum of tear and wear expenses depreciation. NDP is equal to GDP minus depreciation. Per capita income, PCI. Per capita income is an indicator to show the living standard of people in a country. It is obtained by dividing the national income by the population of a country. Per capita income is equal to national income by population. Personal income, PI. Personal income is the total money income received by individuals and households of a country from all possible sources before direct taxes. Disposable income, DI. Disposable income means actual income which can be spent on consumption by individuals and families. DPI is equal to PI minus direct taxes. What are the methods of calculating gross domestic product? Explain them. Expenditure approach. In this method, the GDP is measured by adding the expenditure on all the final goods and services produced in the country during a specified period. Y is equal to C plus I plus G plus X minus M. The income approach. This method looks at GDP from the perspective of the earnings of the men and women who are involved in producing the goods and services. The income approach to measure GDP, Y is equal to wages plus rent plus interest plus profit. Value added approach. Take a cup of tea. It is the final goods. The goods used to produce it. Tea powder, milk and sugar are intermediate goods. To measure the market value of the cup of tea is to add the value of each intermediate goods used in the production of it. The sum of the value added by all the intermediate goods used in the production gives us the total value of the final goods produced in the economy. Value added method. Tea powder plus milk plus sugar is equal to tea. Value of intermediate goods is equal to value of final goods. Please like, share and subscribe Leela Kids channel. Write any 5 differences between the growth and development. Growth concept. Economic growth is the narrower concept. Economic development is the broader concept. Nature of approach. Quantitative in nature, qualitative in nature. Frequency of occurrence in a certain period of time. Continuous process. Term and tenure. Short term in nature, long term in nature. Applicability. Development nation, developing economics. Measurement techniques. increase in national income, increase in real national income, that is per capita income. Explain the following. The economic policies. Agricultural policy. Agricultural policy is the set of government decisions and actions relating to domestic agriculture and imports of foreign agricultural products. It includes risk management and adjustment, economic stability, natural resources and environmental sustainability research and development and market access for domestic commodities. Price policy, land reform policy, irrigation policy and food policy are examples of agricultural policy. Industrial policy. Industrial development creates employment, promotes research and development, leads to modernization and makes the economy self-sufficient. Industrial development also boosts agricultural sector, the service sector and also trade. Textile industry policy, sugar industry policy and small scale industrial policy are some of the industrial policies. New economic policy. The economy of India had undergone policy shifts in the beginning of the 1990s. This new model economic reform is known as the LPG or liberalization, privatization and globalization. LPG. These economic reforms have influenced the overall economic growth of the country in a significant manner. Please like, share and subscribe Leela Kids channel. Video again and again போட்டு பார்க்கறதுனால உங்களுக்கு ஆன்சர்ஸ் மெமரைஸ் ஆகும், எக்ஸாமில் ஃப்ளோ ஈஸியாக இருக்கும். நல்ல ஒரு ஹெட்ஃபோன் போட்டுட்டு again and again போட்டு கேளுங்க. All the best for your public examination. We can meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.